Today I'm gonna show you how to download WildStar, the game I just did a gameplay on. First gameplay. So you go to Google, if you want. Then you just type in WildStar. And then it comes as this.
What's this called? Eradicate. Eradicate. Whoa. Freaky eyeballs on these things.
Then over here, you see this, right? So then you click that.
I love the challenges. I like the idea. It mixes it up because
Then you say play free now.
leveling can be pretty boring. By the way,
then you just create your account yourself, right? So then, after you create your account, like after you do, or else if you do already have an account, then you just say save file, then it's running security scan, and then you say run.
This is all we do. This is all we do, man. It's like going to a dry county.
Then it comes up.
Drink that shit up. They don't know that stuff sucks. Alright, you completed your first challenge. Click loot rewards to claim your precious prize. My precious.
And that's how you download the game.
What do I want?
See you.